So, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So, I have not uploaded video from a week. That's why I am uploading NCERT Class 8 Science Chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum. So, today this will be a short video. Let's start. Exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources are those resources which are present in a limited quantity and can be completely used by human activities are called exhaustible resources. Example, coal and petroleum. Means these are the resources that are only limited and we will not get it after in future. Example of it is coal and petroleum. Now, inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources is an resource that never runs out or get depleted. Some of such resources include wind, sun, solar energy, tides, geothermal energy. These are mostly natural occurring resources, hence they appear naturally. Example, air, solar energy. So, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and we have completed our 3500 views. So please give me same response. Thank you.